Hello there, my name's Edgar. Core by Premier Software has numerous ways to help retail your spa and leisure products, boosting your revenue. So today I'll be showing you how to utilize Core so you can do exactly that. The first thing you could visit is any outstanding stock items from old stock batches. The easiest way to do this is to simply run a stock bestsellers report in Core. To do this, log into Manager if you are a single site business or Administrator if you are multi-site. Next, click the Reports icon. Under the Stock section, click Stock Bestsellers. Simply select a date range such as from when you last ordered a batch of stock and then the manufacturer and stock category. In the top box, input a high number of items such as 999 in order to read all the bestsellers and those that have not sold. Then run the report by clicking the Printer button in the bottom right. You will then see a list of items sold as well as those that did not sell particularly well. You can then use this to promote the old stock that did not sell particularly well and bundle them together in an aesthetically pleasing retail display, perhaps with a more popular item in order to incentivize the sale. This report also helps you view what was popular so you can order more so you are not caught out by being out of stock of what is selling most. There are plenty of other reports that can help you view what is still in stock too, such as stock valuation if needed. Once you have your retail items, you can then promote them. Outside of a retail display, you can target clients with marketing SMS and emails, providing they have opted in to receive these. You can market to a list of clients in the Marketing section in Manager or Administrator, filtering down a selection from those with other recent purchases or those with upcoming appointments. You can then save this selection and send out a promotional email or SMS to them to attract attention to your retail items for when they next come in the near future. Clients will need to fill out a medical questionnaire as part of their consultation, which will help you identify any skin conditions or health issues that may require specific products. These questions can be set up in Core through initial setup and then medical types. Any specific skincare products could then be introduced to clients before their treatment to educate them of what it is and what it does, used during the treatment, and then upsold to them following the treatment. These details can then be saved on the client card in reception so that staff can promote these recommended stock items via the Recommendations tab. Click Add to allocate this item of stock to the client in question, useful for future appointments. Core has the ability to recommend retail items for staff to upsell based on the appointment booked. This is easy to set up through Manager or Administrator's Appointment Code section. Simply highlight the treatment you would like this system to recommend a product for, then click the Site Details tab. Through heading to the Retail Allocation tab, you can allocate related products that can be prompted for selling upon the completion of the treatment and upon departure. If your staff need even more incentives to upsell, then why not set up additional commission for more retail sold? For example, in the commission type setup section, you can set up a tiered structure so they earn more percentage on commission the more they sell. Simply set up different commission bands and then allocate your stock to the retail category so they will be affected by the retail band when sold. Gift cards make for the perfect item to retail as they can be gifted to loved ones and encourage new business. These can be set up in Core under the General menu, Sites and Site Settings via the Voucher Options section. This will be where you can auto-generate gift voucher numbers for sale as well as other options. Once done, you can set up vouchers under the Stock section via the Vouchers option. This is simply a case of setting up the voucher name, amount and allocating it for use at your sites. This can be then sold at your reception area, where it is in the line of sight of clients. Importantly, you can also check the Sell Online box. This will enable you to sell the voucher through your web application via Online by Premier Software. This allows clients to purchase this online at any time, with voucher codes sent straight to their inbox after purchase. Selling vouchers online increases their visibility and makes sure they continue to be high sellers. Core has plenty more features beyond retail options though to help lift your business. For more details, why not visit our website at www.premier-core.com. Should you wish to inquire more about Core, telephone our sales team on 01543 466 580 or you can email at sales@premiersoftware.co.uk. In the meantime, why not subscribe to our YouTube channel for other Core videos updated regularly. You can also follow us on Twitter at Core by Premier and LinkedIn at Premier Software Solutions. Take care and thanks for watching.